And LKCO, as expected, I told you guys with the big move we did last week, I told you this volume, the insider in doing this because they actually selling their shares, because this buying pressure that we had at the last Friday is not justifiable with little volume that we have last week, and that's what we got here with this wick candle. We tested, but boom, we rejected. So now where the price will go, this is really important for LKCO. We're gonna go through all of that, where the price will go and where's the other rejection and where the other support. So stay tuned. Before we go, like and subscribe to my channel, daily video with me, Trading Jesus. No BS, no editing, straight to the information, straight to the chart, without any further talking, without further BS. So let's go to the information. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification so you never miss any of my future updates. So let's go right to it. As I told you in the previous video, I told you the insider doing crazy thing because this volume is not supported, as I told you in the video before I did it last week. And the volumes actually, it was as I told you, was 39k, is not justifiable. We need at least over 200 to go over this resistant level at $1.29. And now what I actually can tell you guys, this price we actually closed. Look at 2 4 hour candle at the 4th of April. We closed at $1.21 around this level, and guess what? Today we just opened and we opened at $1.19. Then we tested the price that we closed in at the Friday. This is if you want to translate this in real life, this candle actually did, that's the wick just test for the price from the last week. So the market maker just tests if there's selling pressure here, if there's enough buying pressure here or selling pressure. They just test the price, they just ask and demand for the price, and there's big selling pressure. That's why we got this wick, and this is actually the wick for the first week for the beginning of this week, and we got this rejection for the last week price. This is not good, and you don't want to see it in any chart for any stock. Now that's why I told you, if we have this big wick and it's not justifiable by the volume, look with me, the volume is dead here, and then we have this indication that we got today. And guess what? We just lost all the gain that we did the last 8th of April. And see with me, guys, all the gain we just lost because this is not justifiable by the volume and is not genuine buying. Now the price is stuck at exactly as the price that we actually jump in at, this price at $1.16. Exactly, guys, look with me, this is not by mistake, this is exactly the price value and manipulation one-on-one. So the price that we actually jump in, the price actually where this candle stopped at by Monday. So now we're gonna see a price down for LKCO. High probability that we're gonna see the price first test the $1.10 exactly, and we bounce from our 200 AMA. And from this, if we don't just hold this level and we see just a candle closing here, a 4-hour candle closing below our exponential moving average and at around $1.09, not a wick, just be careful, not a wick, this is a completely different. If we have a completely red candle closing below our exponential moving average, we're gonna see prices below the $1 for LKCO for this week. This is crazy price, but this is what's gonna happen because the market maker actually do, and they actually set the prices, not us or not everybody. They know where the price will go. We got rejected so many times. We have a lot of a chance to go over our first our ascending line. The first moment we break, I told you guys in previous video, we have a closing candle below, and we broke from our ascending line. Then we have a candle closing below our support at $1.29 exactly cent. I told you this is not good, like a good looking chart, because this is a confirmation, then this is a test for confirmation with what? With the fake volume again, and this is closing candle below our support. This is actually tell us the price is actually getting weakened by time, and this is, as we can see, boom, we got rejected. Then we're gonna see the price seen here. If we don't hold, we're gonna see the price go to 0.85. This is crazy, guys. Now what we're gonna do, this is really important. Now if you actually holding LKCO, this is really important. You have a lot of strategy you can do, like for instance, like I talked in the previous video. If you have like a share in any stock and you bought, let's say, and you don't see my video before, and you bought at $1 or $2. Some people actually have a position on $2. There's a strategy you can do, like you actually, it's really hard, because the moment you get in a stock and you buy and you didn't set a sell limit, or at what time you should sell your share, you stuck, because you stuck with your emotion, and you feel like it's really hard to actually push the button to sell if you don't actually put the price before. So we have to start over. For anybody have the $2, you can average down. This is the simple thing, not at any price, at the support level that we actually indicated. Like now, when I told you at 0.85, you can actually wait to buy at this price. And at this price, when I told you the price will touch, if we break from this level, I told you we're gonna touch again this at $1.10. You can average down here, not at $1.15 or 17, or you just wait and you hunt for the price. It's really hard, of course, I know. You get used to it. This is like train your patient skills. You can use it even in your daily life. Is discipline. You have to wait, and you have a set limit. Put a notification in your cell phone, so you can or buy limit order, so you can actually buy at this level without putting yourself under stress for pushing the button to buy or sell. So you actually limit the capacity for you to make the choice. This is really like psychology 101, and it happened to me before. At the beginning, it's really hard to actually take this decision. And the other options you can take, you can actually sell at $2 if you know, like I told you before, we're gonna hit the resistance level at $2. If you're FOMOing and you're greedy, you hold and you think that we're gonna to see at least $5, $10, but this is not a good strategy. Nobody can time the market. Just put this in your mind. Just limit your risk. Always put your risk ratio high to risk ratio. Never actually, if you don't believe in a stock in the future, okay, by all means swing trade it, okay, but if you want to swing trade, you have to have risk management. There's a lot of things you can do. I can actually put a separate video, and we can actually discuss this in more deeper way, and we can understand how to do risk management and how you trade, and how you actually, if you have a position in any stock, how you minimize your losses and you gain profit on the way. I will make a video soon just for that, but in the time being, for LKCO, this is the prices that we're gonna see for LKCO, unless guys, if we hold above the $1.09, $1.010, we're gonna see a big jump from here. and we actually test again the $1.29, and we go all over from there. This is a big if we need a big volume to pick up, or if we have a closing candle, this big no for LKCO. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications so you never miss any of my future update, daily update. Be patient, and let's hunt for the exact right value price with the trading Jesus. So guys, see you in the next time, and in the meantime, be patient and let's hunt.